Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Quick video, how to test your pickups to find out how many ohms they are. Determines pickups that are hot or cold. So generally your hottest pickup is always going to be in your bridge, but not necessarily. Sometimes you can use the exact same ohm of pickup, so hot pickup, in your bridge as well as your neck, and there's still a huge tonal difference between the two. So what you want to do, of course, is get yourself a ohms meter, okay, or a multimeter that has an ohm setting. You're going to need your amp cord, of course, one end plugged into your guitar, the other end in your hand, and you're going to take the positive and negative, and you're going to just hold them together like so. Now, while you're holding them, now this is an auto ranging meter, so I have to wait till it settles out. So we're looking at the bridge pickup, because we're on the bridge position with the switch, at being 14.98 ohms, or 14K. So this tells us that this is a very hot pickup. Now we can also check the position in the middle, which is going to tell us the combined between both the neck and the bridge at the same time, what kind of ohms or K level they have when they're combined together, because things get compressed, okay? So your tone again changes. We're at 5.24 ohms, okay? And then we go into the neck position only, and we find out we're at 7.89 ohms, okay? So 7.9 ohms, 7.90 ohms. And again, we can switch back to the middle, 5.24, 14.93, 19.4, 95, 96. It takes a second or two for it to settle, okay? That's all you do to test your pickups. It saves you ripping into the guitar and, taking things apart or, that sort of thing. You just plug right in and away you go. Now there is going to be a plus or minus loss depending on your amp cable and how long it is too. The amp cable in my hand is about 20 feet, so there's a plus or minus, but it's not that much. So we are definitely at, for sure, a 14K or 14 ohm pickup. We are definitely at least 5, and of course definitely at least 7 point whatever ohms in reality. So if you wanted exact precise measurements, you would literally have to unsolder the pickup from the controls and test them one at a time that way. But then testing combined, you would have to tie them together and test them combined to see what they would be. So, but you got to know which phase they are too, and when they're combined that way. But anyway, that's it. That's all there is to it. And make sure your volume knob is up and your tone knob is all the way up when you do this, so that everything's wide open, so you get the proper levels. Because if you were to test this and mess with the volume control, okay, so let's bring this back up. So if I turn the volume all the way off, you'll notice that I'm at 2.8 ohms. Well, that's barely a carrier at all. There's going to be no sound coming out. If we turn it up a little bit, we get some weird stuff happening, right? Well, there's no way that's a 27K pickup, but to have it all the way open, that's proper. Okay, so it can definitely do some funky things when you mess with the control knob. So see 117.9. So this is proper, all the way full open. And if we mess with the tone doesn't seem to affect anything, but the volume definitely is going to. Okay, so 14.97, 5.25, 24, and 7.89. Okay, that's it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And that's how you do it on every single guitar. Later.